So this is my task scheduling app where I have created a view for a dispatcher where the dispatcher will be able to select a driver and then choose the driver to have schedules, so like adding task, editing task, deleting task, and also resolve conflicts. The dispatcher will also be able to download the schedule of the specific driver. So now this is the main calendar view, which shows a week view, and we are on July 26th to August 1st. You can go to the next task. By default, the calendar will show us driver 1 view. You can also choose driver 2 and driver 3. So now to add task, we'll do pickup order. Location, we will do downtown, and then description is this is a pick up order. And then for choose driver, you can choose whichever driver you want. So it's basically whichever driver you want to add this task to. So even though you are under driver 3 view, you can still add this task to driver 1 or driver number 2, and this will get added to their schedule. So let's just choose driver number 2. Task type pickup. And for start time, I'll just do August 4th from 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. What you'll notice is just because my date is August 4th, the end time gets logged on August 4th. Just because I do not want to make a task available for multiple days. So this will end at the end of August 4th. So the schedule will not allow you to add anything beyond 11:30 p.m. on this day. Okay, so when you submit it, there's a conflict. So you can always go back to driver 2 and then see that, oh, what the conflict is. And then you'll see that, oh, the driver has this task, so you do not want to add this, you do not want to override this task. So add a new task. Location, let's do Toronto. Okay, and then this is a drop off, and let's do 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So when you submit, it gets added over here. So now what will happen when we actually do run into the conflict and we want to make sure that we override this task? So this is from 3 to 4, which is a drop-off order, and then there's another order from 5 to 6, which is task 8. So what we want to do is we want to override this one over this. So I'll just go to drop-off, and then I'll just put the time range from 5:30 to 6:30 so that it conflicts with our task 8. And then when we override, you'll see that task 8 disappears, and then this one gets visible to it. And we can also delete tasks as well. Here you go. So now, in order to show you how to download, so we are under driver 1, and then task 2 is a drop off. And the next day, task 1 is a pickup, and task 5 is a drop off. So we have 2 drop offs and 1 pickup. So now let's download this schedule for driver 1. So when you go to download schedule, you have the option of choosing what kind of date range you'd like to see on the download file. So it can be from day 2 to day 4 to 7, 14, and 28. So let's just choose day 4. So once you do choose a date from this drop down, this download CSV button gets available to the screen. So then when you click on it, my file.csv gets downloaded. And then when you look into it, so I'm clicking on it and it's opening for me. Over here at the top, you can see the time frame, pickup, drop off, and other. And then if I scroll, let's just make it a little bit more bigger. From day 213 to day 217, there's 1 drop off. And then From day 217 to day 221, there's one pickup and one drop-off. Okay, so that means this download works. And on top of that, if you do go to a browser and then type task scheduler armugan.netlify.app, this application is available on your browser as well. So you can also look into my deployed version and let me know how you feel. Thank you.